Hello everyone, I am Bilash Mallick and welcome to my YouTube channel Pikuu Artwork. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to draw Bhuvan Bam using colored pencil. As you may already know, Bhuvan Bam is a renowned YouTuber. I have already outlined a sketch and now I will guide you through the coloring process. I hope you find this sketch enjoyable. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and opinions. Feel free to express your feedback in the comment section below. Hey, if you appreciate this art, please consider giving a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot. Moreover, if you enjoy my content, I am grateful if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching this content till now, and I look forward to sharing more art journey with you in the future. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Have a great day. Thank you.